Hello, I'm Christine from Chris by Bike, and in this channel I always give you like little quick tips that sometimes will help you a lot and sometimes are things that you already know. This one is so simple, but I don't know, I want to share with you. Let me show you. Sometimes we stop our Brompton with the pedal that we use to start pedaling down. Like, I like to start with the left foot, I don't know why. The very simple tip is put the top of your foot up, loosen up, and put your foot back in. Because the pedal is different from one side, from this side to this side. Holding pedal is different than the other side, see? One side, it's shallower than the other one. I don't know which side is the right one. It's just that I got used to pedal on this side, so I always put it up, let it go down because it's heavier. See, it goes automatically. It goes by itself down, and then I put my foot on. That's my hand. Okay, I know, very simple, but I don't know, sometimes I give you a very simple tip and people say, oh, I love it. So I always, I like to share the things that I learned. Hope you did like it. Thumbs up, and please sign up. Be part of it. Bye-bye.